In this question it is given that if angle between A vector and B vector, is theta, the value of product of B cross A dot A is. So assume that we are having a vector B vector, another vector, take it as A vector. And we know that if we are going for B vector cross A vector, the direction of B cross A is perpendicular to the plane containing this A vector and B vector. Or we can say that B cross A is always perpendicular to B vector and A vector. So once again remember that B cross A is perpendicular to A. Now if you are going to find out the dot product of B cross A with A, so basically we are going to do dot product of two vectors which are perpendicular to each other. So we know that when two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is going to be 0. So the dot product of A cross B with A, A cross B with B will be equal to 0.